Hey Gerard.
Yo.
It's Vlogust.
Living my life like it's Vlogust.
Woo! Alright, what is up YouTube and welcome back to Vlogust 2018. First off, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and press the subscribe button, press that like button, share it with your friends, comment, talk to me, send me things that you might want to see. I don't know. I feel like Vlogust is the one thing that I stay like kind of faithful to because it is the one thing that happens consistently every year, every summer when I'm finally on vacation and I have the time to actually film and edit and put stuff out. But Vlogust is basically the only time of year where I get to vlog every single day and kind of invite you guys into my life and show you what I'm doing. Last year was a very magical Vlogust. You got to see me go to Virginia, which I'll probably do again this year, but you also got to see me go to Mexico and be living that resort life. This year is not that exciting because bitches cannot afford to do that every year. So I'm gonna try and make this Vlogust as interesting as possible, and it might mean that I'm talking to you guys more, but that's okay because I actually like talking to you guys. So obviously it is August 1st and I have dinner plans with Ali and Julissa, so I'm actually about to do like a little bit of a light beat on my face, and I figured I would film myself getting ready and talking to you guys while giving you guys a little bit of a life update because it has been so long since I made a video where I am just talking to the camera. However, I am pressed for time, so we're gonna see how quickly and concisely I can update you guys on everything that has happened to me in the past year. Basically, once September hit, I kind of took a giant break from YouTube because I just decided that I needed to focus most on my teaching career because as some of you guys know, I am a music teacher when I am not making YouTube videos. But honestly, while I was on a break from making YouTube videos, I was able to do a couple of other things that involved me performing live. So I was still being creative, I just was not making videos. Let's go back all the way back to like May or April of last year. I was actually contacted by the casting people at HBO and I was able to make a cameo appearance in not one but 2 episodes of High Maintenance on HBO. So if you have not seen season 2, you want to go catch that because I am in episode, I believe I'm in episode 4 and I'm in the season finale. I'm in the season finale way more than I am in the episode 4, but I'm pretty fucking funny in episode 4. So that was an absolutely amazing experience. Starting in January, I actually did Locked Up Bitches, which you guys must have seen the promotional video that I put up back in like February or some shit about that. So yeah, I was able to go ahead and do an off-Broadway show as well as an HBO cameo. So I have been doing shit. I also was a featured content creator at VidCon last year. I did vlog it, but I never edited it. So maybe one week this August, I will get time to edit that vlog and put it up too. I didn't even do my brows. I usually start with my brows. I don't know why I didn't start with my brows. Yeah, so basically that was really the break that I took was to focus on teaching. So I spent the entire year teaching. Brows! I feel like my brows always look crazy when I first put them on, but you know what? I work it out and it looks good when my face is done, so don't say anything. I'm not a makeup artist, I just know how to do makeup on my own face. Towards the end of the year, that's when I started working on Latino and was able to put out that video, and I'm hoping to put out more music videos like that. I want to put out a mixtape for Cesa, but we'll see. Hopefully time permits, you know? That's what the schedule allows. Any case, last year I was actually able to work on a lot of videos, so I do have a lot of content that I have made and I just haven't edited. So I'm hoping that to use a lot of this time off to edit that stuff and be able to put it out in the future. Fuck, okay. Ooh, my phone is going off. I need to get the fuck out of here and I only have 9 minutes to get dressed, so see you then. We ready to grub, yes, man.
Ready. I haven't had a girl day.
Everybody's documenting their food. So I'm asking Julissa and Ali to give me one piece of advice each to follow throughout the rest of Vlogust.
Can I have two that like go as one?
Okay.
They're kind of the same thing. But one is, you never lose by loving, you only lose by holding back. That is a quote by, I don't know who said it. And the other one is, don't regret things you don't do. I'd rather regret things I did, you know?
Okay.
So basically, go full force. Don't like regret anything that you like choose to not do.
Okay, all right.
Really make an adventure of everything. Don't hold yourself back. There are moments where we let our responsibilities get in the way, and so we say, no, I have to go to bed early, or no, I shouldn't do this. Give yourself permission this Vlogust to say yes to a few things.
Yes.
Yes.
I wanna but I'm broken hearted. But I like to party. Touch. But I got nobody here on my own. I wanna but I'm broken hearted. Since the day we parted. Touch. But I got nobody, so I do it so low.
And thus we are back home. I am finally home. Tomorrow I am going to Fire Island with DJ from the New York Dose. It's definitely gonna be 24 hours to remember. So I'm excited to take you along with us.